Namaskar children, as you all know, we were completed our topic previously about the formation of stars, formation of planets, and then we have discussed about the satellite moon and how it was occur. So all the things we have done almost, and in this chapter now today we are going to study about the evolution of the earth. So children, our topic started evolution of the earth. You can see here before discussing the evolution of the earth, it is based on two things which you can see over here. Evolution on the first point, that is evolution of lithosphere. Second one is evolution of atmosphere and hydrosphere. Before that, we just want to tell you something. What has happened before that, what has happened on the earth. In the beginning our earth was barren, rocky and hot sphere, which we have discussed, with a very thin atmosphere consisting of hydrogen and helium. So children, that was the starting time of the earth, and then whenever we are going to discuss about the evolution of the earth, it was based on two conditions. First one is evolution of lithosphere. So children, these conditions are conducive to the existence of life on earth, which have led to the evolution of life between 4,600 million years and the present. So when we are going to discuss about the evolution of the lithosphere, then which we can say that the development of the lithosphere. So in this, the most important part is process of accretion, which we have discussed. कि process of accretion क्या था? At that time, the heavenly bodies are consisted in the center of the earth, or you can say that the जितनी भी heavenly bodies see, they are centered over here, and lightweight bodies are covered outer part of the earth. That you can say here, that means किस पर based हुआ था? It's totally based on the density of the materials. जो heavy density material थे, they are came to the core part of the earth, and that the lightweight light density material was there in the outer layer, or you can say crust of the earth. So the heavy material they which are made up of nickel and iron, they are consisted in the center, or you can say core part of the earth. So this complete theory it is based on the division of the base of density. Yani whatever happened over there, it process is known as accretion, and how it will happen, because of the complete theory is based on the density of the material. So the evolution of the earth is totally based on the density of the material. That heavenly bodies are made of the combination of lighter and heavier materials of the earth, and different materials of the earth have different density, and you know that, and inside the earth gets separated according to these density. Denser and heavier materials like nickel and iron, which we have discussed, came to the center part because of the heavier density, and the lighter materials move towards the surface of the earth. Okay, so the outer surface cooled and solidified to form the crust of the earth. This process through which earth forming, so this process material got separated in different layers. This is called differentiation. So the process which earth forming material got separated in different layers, this process is known as the differentiation. So children, the development of lithosphere, or you can say evolution of the lithosphere tha, this complete process you can understand by this diagram. So children, this is the first part of the evolution of the earth, in which first upper layer you can say lithosphere formed because of this heavenly and lighter weight bodies. There is an increase in temperature, density and pressure as we move from the crust to the inner core of the earth. So this has happened inside the earth and the outer layer of the earth. Now come to the next one, that is evolution of atmosphere and hydrosphere. So children, there are two words, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So let me continue with atmosphere. You know that earlier time atmosphere was made up of hydrogen and helium. You know that there was a process which you can see in the book also, loss of primordial atmosphere. Primordial atmosphere का मतलब क्या है? That means starting time में our atmosphere की पतली thin layer थी, which is made up of hydrogen and helium. But solar winds remove them. Solar winds ने क्या किया? They remove the hydrogen and helium from the atmosphere layer. So we can say that this is the first stage was marked by loss of primordial atmosphere, which consisted of hydrogen and helium. So this is the first stage. Okay, what happened in the second stage? Second stage में क्या होता है? That means evolution of atmosphere took place due to the hot interior of the earth. Hot interior. That means the hot interior part था, which is made up of gases and so these gases have come out with different methods like geomorphic process, volcanic eruption. So these gases are come out from the earth. ये एक दूसरा पार्ट था जिसकी वजह से एटमॉस्फेयर को बनने में हेल्प मिली, ठीक है. एंड सम गैसेस पार्ट, वाटर वेपर, दे कम आउट फ्रॉम द इंटीरियर ऑफ द earth. So this is the second stage of making of atmosphere. Now you can come to the third stage, which can call them photosynthesis. So children, the atmosphere is modified by the process of photosynthesis. This process of photosynthesis contributed to the concentration of oxygen in the oceanic part. So you know that carbon dioxide will be decreases by this process, and you can say stabilized by photosynthesis, and it increase the quantity of oxygen on the earth. So this has happened in the third stage of the making of atmosphere. Children, these three stages will help in the one more important part, that is also hydrogen. You know that ki water vapor cannot make it without the help of water. So it has happened, you can see here, the hydrosphere is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So that means oxygen is very important part. इसके बिना हम कोई भी तरीके से उम्मीद नहीं कर सकते. That means what will happen? That means when the oceans were saturated with oxygen almost 2000 million years ago, oxygen started flooding into the atmosphere and hydrosphere is made up. So this has happened. So you can say that life on the earth before 3 billion years ago, we hope that की life जो थी वो 3 billion years ago होना शुरू हुई, और ओशियनिक जो पार्ट था वो almost 4000 million years ago formed हुआ था. So oceanic part it is related to the hydrosphere and the lithosphere is related to the land part. So life जो थी वो 3 billion years ago start हुई, and the formation of the hydroland or oceans are 4000 million years ago. So children, almost we have done some important portion of this chapter. Earth evolution of the earth में हमने 2 points पढ़े हैं, evolution of lithosphere and evolution of atmosphere. In atmosphere we had discussed about the 3 stages of made up of atmosphere. First stage was marked by the loss of primordial atmosphere, which consisted by hydrogen and helium. In second stage we had discussed much of the evolution of atmosphere took place due to the hot interior of the earth. In the third stage, that we can call it final stage, the atmosphere was modified by the process of photosynthesis, and the process of photosynthesis contributed to the concentration of oxygen in the ocean. So this has happened, and then origin of the life started, origin of evolution and life commenced in the last phase of evolution of the earth. Now the present day science attribute the origin of the life to a type of chemical reactions and all molecules assembled them. So children, we have done all the important part of the chapters before starting and till end. I hope that you understand everything. If there is any problem, you can hear the videos again and you can ask question. And please, I hope you can complete your worksheet and send me by WhatsApp or by mail. You are having my number. Please send me only on my number. Okay. I hope you can understand everything. So wish you good luck. We'll meet in our next class. Thank you so much.